Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Had your evening coffee and snacks, everyone? You're waiting eagerly to get English classes, right? Yes, I'm here. Let's learn a poem today. Little Raindrops. Do you like to get wet in the rain? I like. I hope you do. Rain is always a matter of fascination. Peacocks likes when it rains because when it rains the snakes will come out of their holes. When there is thunder the snakes will come out of their holes. And it is then peacocks have a great meal. And that is why peacocks are commonly seen in rainy days. Let us look in the lesson textbook. Little raindrops. Oh, where do you come from? You little drops of rain. Pitter patter, all the winter pain. They won't let me walk. They won't let me play. And they won't let me go out of doors all day. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter patter, all the rainy day. A child who is locked inside during the rain is asking a question to the rain. Oh, where do you come from? You little drops of rain. Pitter patter, down the window pane. I can hear the rain is falling down beside the window. It makes a sound, pitter patter. The child now is locked inside due to the rain. Now you people are also locked. It's not due to the rain but COVID-19 disease. Do you like to be locked inside? No, nobody likes. Same feeling is shared by this boy. He is feeling sad. Look at the facial expression. The boy is not happy to be locked. The boy is asking, oh, where do you come from? You little drops of rain? Pitter patter. The sound of rain is pitter patter, down the window pane. They won't let me walk. They, who are they? Who locked you inside due to the COVID-19 disease? Birds? Animals? No, our parents. They won't let me walk. They won't let me play. They won't let me go out of doors all day. The whole day when it rains, I'm locked inside. The child is telling me. The child is not that happy. Look at his face. He's a bit irritated, a bit sad, a bit angry. He says, I'm locked inside for the whole day. They won't let me go. Who are they? Parents. Our dear and near ones. Because if we go outside, we'll get sneezing, cold, cough, fever. So those who love us, those who are our dear ones and near ones, they don't want us to get sick. That is why they lock you inside when it rains outside. They won't let me go. They won't let me play. They won't let me go outdoors. They are not allowing us to go outdoor when it rains. Out of doors in the sense, outside, all day. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Aho, you are playing outside and you don't allow me to play and I am locked inside. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter patter. Anne Hakshay was an English poet, lived in the 19th century, 1800 to 1900. The duration And she wrote so many little poems that related to nature. For My Little Children is a collection of poems she published. And our poem, The Little Raindrops, is a part of that. So, what did Anne say? Read once again with me. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter, down the window pane. They won't let me play, they won't let me walk, and they won't let me go out of doors all day. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter patter, all the rainy day. And there goes the lovely poem of Anne Hathaway. Take page number 28 in the textbook. There is a box with so many columns given. Read the words in the capital letters and find out their sound from the given words. For example, rain, what is the sound? Pitter patter. Have you not learned rhyme in the KG? I hear thunder, oh don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, and the throw. What is the sound of the rain? Pitter patter. Yes, the next one is bell. What is the sound of the bell? Tick tock, or ding dong, ding dong. What is the sound of a bell? You said it. Ding dong bell, voices in the well. Ho, put her in, little Tommy tin. Ho, pull her out, little Tommy stout. What a naughty boy was it to down my little pussy cat. Do you remember it? Yes. So the bell sound is ding dong. The next one is horn sound. Horn of vehicles. Ding dong, pitter patter, or toot toot. Yes, sound is toot toot. The next one is a clock. What are the sounds? Toot toot, tick tock. What is the sound of rain? Tick tock, tick tock. Yes, circle it. You can apply different colors for the correct answer, so it will look marvelous. If you look at the next exercise, it's fun time. Do you like it? Smileys? I like it. Do you like it? You must draw a smiling face or a sad face for the given pictures. There is a round near the pictures. Based on their facial expressions, you must draw either a smiling face or yes. Look at the first picture, a girl in the wet rain. In the rain, she has an umbrella also. Do you think she is sad or happy? She is happy. You can draw a smiley. Look at the next picture. A family is getting wet. Look at their face. Some of them are not having umbrella. Some of them are having umbrella. How is their face? Oh, it's raining. My God. Such a face. You can draw a sad face there or angry face. Okay. Next one is a boy and his puppy. How's their face? Are they happy? Not much. They are very happy. You can draw a smiley there. And the third picture you see, two children are playing, dancing in the rain. How do you think they are? They are also happy. You can draw a smiley there. And there ends our lesson. The poem. Read the poem and do the exercises also. And that is the end of today's class. We'll see next online class. Read the text many times and be fluent in reading. Bye-bye.